Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to find crisis response in Facebook on your PC. It's an essential feature that can keep you informed and connected during times of crisis. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Simply launch the Facebook app or visit the Facebook website on your PC. Step 2. On the top of the page, locate the menu button. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to expand the menu options. Step 3. Scroll down the menu until you find Community Resources. This section provides valuable information and support during challenging times. Step 4. Click on Crisis Response. Here, you'll find a dedicated hub with updates, safety check-ins, and ways to offer help to those affected by a crisis. By following these 4 simple steps, you can easily access crisis response on Facebook via your PC. Stay informed, connected, and make a difference when it matters the most. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Stay safe and take care.